Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use Moto Notes on Motorola Razr Fold. If you go to the Notes app, then you can open a new note, for example, and you could do different things. Now let's see all of these. So notes will just let you type. You can also insert a table if you want. You can select the size of the table and then click on done and it'll be inserted. You could also extend the table, of course, by adding rows and stuff like that. You could delete the table. You could put things in the table fields. Then there's images. You can put images. There's OCR, which means text to photo to text. Like basically, if you scan something that has text on it, it'll put the text in it in your note by taking a photo or choosing an image from your gallery. Then you could also add a checklist. You can see like a checkbox here, and I could, for example, do a shopping list like milk, flour, and so on. I could also insert a voice transcription. For that, I would need a Moto account. So I'll just sign in. Now, as you can see, I have started the recording, and later on it'll transcribe that into my into a text, as you can see right here, and it'll paste it into the notes so that it can basically be put there. So let's stop it. I'll click on continue in background, or I could just stay there. Now it is transcribed. I can go there, and yeah, it just puts an audio here, but I can click on it to see the transcription and summary and everything. Now, as you can see, yeah, and that is basically it. Now let's go out of it. Then you could also scribble, and there are two options. There's either drawings, where you can just draw, or you could sketch to image. By the way, there's handwriting calculator. So first let's draw anything, like an arrow, for example. Then I'll do 1 + 1 = 2. Works. Let's do something more complex, like I don't know. And yeah, that also works. So it's great. Now you could just draw anything. Honestly, there are different tools there. Now once you save it, it will just be pasted into the note, and you could swipe. No, you couldn't swipe for some reason. Okay, that's bad. Maybe it just cuts off what's auto-generated for some reason. That's sad. Okay, now let's do sketch to image. And now when I okay, my credits will reset later. But I could sketch something and it would turn it into an image with AI. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.